I just got Claude to write this entire API endpoint for me that executes a complex checkout. Now, AI writes code that is functionally correct, and this can be verified through my integration test. But I am the one who is responsible for the correctness of the business logic. Stuff like, are the correct set of API endpoints being hit? Are all the necessary things happening? Stuff like fraud detection, tax calculation, sending an email update to the user if it goes through, applying promo code, applying extra shipping charges based on the user's location, and so on. So to verify this, I have to go through the code. And this is slow and tedious because I have to read through the syntax to figure out the intent. And in an era where AI is generating thousands of lines of code each second, reading code line by line is simply infeasible. Hence, we have built call trace. Trigger call trace on any function and it's going to give you this graph. Now this graph contains all the functions that are going to be executed under what condition and in what order. It also highlights business logic and fades away the utilities. It gives you the intent without having to look at code. So now all of these are utilities. I can just go here and see what all is actually happening. So first we are doing authentication. Then we are checking the fraud score of the user. We are checking if there's stock available. We are applying promotions and so on. Now the best part about call trace is that it can hop over network boundaries. So for example, I have a separate API endpoint for payments. If I had to go here, I have to Control F this and go here, but call trace can pick that up. So now we are into the payments module and I can see exactly how it works. I don't have to read through the syntax. Call trace is going to tell me that. So this is where the payments happen through Stripe. And say if the happy path is working all good, I have to see what happens if something fails. So if an order ID exists after the checkout process, then we do two things. Mark it as failed and release the stock. These are the exact two things that I've told the AI to do, and it has done it correctly. Now, this is how I am able to match the speed of AI generating code. With call trace, I can still be in control of my code base and leverage AI.